Welcome to Auto Motorhome. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the 2025 Touring Mill Motorhome, a perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and performance designed for the modern traveler. Cut to interior shots: spacious living area with premium furnishings, state-of-the-art kitchen, and cozy bedroom. Voiceover: step inside, and you'll be greeted by a meticulously crafted interior that rivals high-end apartments. The spacious living area features plush seating and ambient lighting, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size refrigerator, and even a dishwasher, making meal preparation a delight on the road. Focus on bedroom: comfortable bed, ample storage, and entertainment system. Voiceover: the master bedroom offers a serene retreat with a luxurious queen-sized bed, ample storage space, and an entertainment system for those relaxing evenings. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to ensure maximum comfort during your travels. Transition to bathroom: elegant fixtures, spacious shower, and modern amenities. Voiceover: the bathroom doesn't skimp on luxury either. Featuring elegant fixtures, a spacious shower with a rainfall showerhead, and modern amenities, it provides all the comforts of home while you're on the move. Cut to exterior features: solar panels, awnings, and storage compartments. Motorhome isn't just about interior luxury. Its exterior boasts advanced features